Brace yourselves, Southern California, another windstorm is on the horizon, and it's bringing a particularly dangerous situation. Expect powerful wind gusts between 45 and 70 miles per hour from early Tuesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. In the mountains of San Bernardino County, gusts could reach a staggering 80 to 90 miles per hour. Wind advisories, high wind warnings, and red flag warnings will be in place through Wednesday. The dry brush and vegetation, combined with the lack of rain, have turned the region into a tinderbox. The National Weather Service has identified 3 critical areas of concern. Last week, the massive Palisades and Eden fires erupted amid an even stronger windstorm. Firefighters have made substantial progress in battling these deadly fires. Efforts continue to increase containment before the powerful winds return. Stay alert, stay safe, and prepare for the winds to howl once more.